SBF 900 Ducker Hard Shoulder is a milling machines that permit milling the hard shoulders and loading of the cut material in a single work step. Additional screws expand the working and make work under and behind crash barriers easier. The attached sweeping brush cleans the road in the same work step. XCMG XCA 750 is an all-terrain crane that's equipped with a 7-axle, self-folding wind-power jib and innovative 6-axle mechanical drive. This new product has the highest lifting height and transfer efficiency among its kind. Doppstadt SM620 trommel screen is known worldwide for its versatility and production capabilities. Due to these characteristics, it is one of the most widely used models in the industry. In addition, the is extremely flexible and can be adjusted to different applications in minutes. Doppstadt DW3060 is in combination with the new Doppstadt HS401 selector for oversize screening, with its simple setup and integrated recirculation for unwanted oversized material, with slightest emissions and highest efficiency. Tesmec 950 RT 620 is a high-performance wheel trencher designed for fiber optic projects in urban areas. It can work even in close proximity to the shoulder of the road, in order to limit traffic and pedestrian disturbance. Tesmec Rock hawgs can provide surface mining effective solutions for bulk rock and ore excavation across a broad spectrum of project, with its technology that allows excavating in a cost-effective way even strong and unfractured rock, completely substituting and avoiding the use of explosive.